welcome to my channel. I'm April of Prerequisite Beauty. Thank you for tuning in. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button to ensure that you receive important beauty tips that I share with you on a weekly basis that's reflective from the inside to the outside. Today I'm going to go over with you a basic glam look. It's kind of like a nighttime date glam look, rose gold, I want to say. We understand today, you know, our times are different. So I'm not actually going on a date outside because we understand that, you know, they have the quarantine thing going on. So I'm going on a date in the living room with my boo. We're going to go and watch some movies and just chill. So I decided just to, you know, get glammed up for the evening, and I wanted to share you all my glam look and how I achieved it. But before that, I want to share with you an important immune boosting vitamin that I take on a daily basis. It's of course a TLC product. It's called Chaga or Chaga, but it's called Chaga. So Chaga contains numerous vitamins and minerals. It also contains a good source of vitamin B5. It's just an overall important vitamin to take today to help boost your immune system. We know we need vitamins to help boost our immune system, especially today. So Chaga is an important vitamin that you all can order. If you want to order it, I'll be sure to include it below for the link tree. Again, it's called Chaga. But tune in so you can see the support and bomb video. Okay, so we're going to get started. So for color correction, I want to use Milani Conceal Perfect. I'm going to use color 170. And this just helps to conceal my dark circles. I'm just going to go in with my blender. Got a nice blender. I believe I got this from Real Techniques blender. I'm just going to go in and blend it. Make sure that your blender is wet. So now that we got it all blended, because we want our dark circles covered. Make sure that I cover that. I'm going to use my NARS. This is a Natural Radiant Longwear for our foundation. My color is Caracas. Caracas. I hope I'm saying it right. So I just take a couple of pumps and put it on my back of my hand. Take my concealer brush. This is MAC 190 brush. Take it. And then I just put it through my skin. I get excited when I get my makeup done, when I'm doing my makeup. Because I just like, no, extra. Not necessarily extra, but just a little extra. Even though my beat is to go into the living room, I still. Then I'm going to use my Huda Beauty Buff and Blend brush, real flat. So I want to put on some base primer. I'm going to use my Milani setting spray. So it will help with the setting spray after I put on my foundation, just help me get a better coverage. So I'll take a couple of pumps. I just want to work it on my skin. Making sure that I got all areas covered on the face. You know how you have foundation, it don't be all blended in. Nice coverage. It's a full coverage, but it's still lightweight. You know, I like lightweight coverage. So for my concealer, we're going to switch it up today. I'm going to use my Fawn by LA Girl Fawn. So with my Fawn, just take it and I always want to place it under my eye. That's one good thing about LA Girl. You know, it got the brush on there, so the more precision like brush. So you can put it on there exactly where you need to put it. And too much doesn't come out either. LA Girl can be found at your local beauty supply. So don't be sleeping on a beauty supply. I know I got my Fawn from the local beauty supply. Then I'm going to put some here because this is where I wanted to highlight. some here. Because I want this nice and bright. And I want it here. So, got our highlights nice and illuminated. We're going to go on to our contour color. So my contour color I like to use is Black Opal. It's Suede Mocha. Black Opal is just a stick. So I take it, put a nice line here. And I want to push my headband back a little bit. I love my forehead contour. You know, I got a big forehead. I got a big forehead, so I like to contour my forehead. And then since this stick is kind of big for my nose, I just take it and I use a MAC 106S brush. It's kind of triangular shape. I take it and I contour it down my nose. So now I'm going to use my beauty brush, my blending sponge rather. We'll take a beauty sponge, make sure it's wet. So I'm just going to take it, kind of like dab the area to where I put my concealer. Using my smaller concealer brush to get under my eye. Concealer sponge. That's a concealer brush. It's concealer sponge. Holding it up too. My bad, y'all. I need these moles. Let me tell you, I got moles everywhere for days and days and days. So now we have that blended in. Probably need to blend it in some more. But let me use my blending brush to kind of blend in my contour. And I'm just sweeping it. Nice sweep. Then I want to take my, the same brush that I used to place my contour on my nose. I'm going to take this and blend it out. Do the sweep of motion. So now we have everything on. We need to put on some medium beige translucent loose powder by Luscious by Lynn. So I'm going to take this, take a bit. I'm just going to dab it under my eye because I want to set my concealer. Put a nice little coat. So while that's baking, bake, cake, I'm going to move on to my eyebrows. So my eyebrows are kind of easy to maintain, but they are easy to maintain. Got a little cake right there because I have microblading. But I still like a nice precision look. So, I got all kind of lint balls in my eyebrow brush. That is not cute. But okay. Yeah, so you just brush your eyebrows up. And then I have an angle brush by MAC. My MAC angle brush. And I got some Kelly Baker Bra dark eyebrow powder, which is dark brown. And I take it, I kind of outline it, and I just put some strokes in it. Do the same for the other side. So what have y'all been doing while y'all been in the house? I actually enjoy being in the house. It's not too bad. You know, it gives you a chance to chill and relax and enjoy your family and your loved ones. So it's not really too big of a deal. Look, but it's only been, maybe a week. So we'll see next week. So once I put the powder on my brows, I just brush my eyebrows up. That just help it to look more natural. Then we're going to move on to our eyes. So for my eyes, we're going to do a nice look for our eyes. But before that, I want to put some eyeshadow base on there. Well, it's basically base or primer for eye primer, it's called. And this is really good because it helps your eyeshadow stay, and it helps it to, and illuminates it, and it helps it to pop. So I just take a little bit, this is Mary Kay brand. I put it on both my fingers. And I take it and I press it in my eye, press it into my eye with my fingers. Listen, I'm so happy I got my nails done. Okay. And I called my nail tech last week. He was like, he wasn't gonna be in. I was like, well, dang, I need. Oh, my feeling was so terrible. So I looked up and found this one place. I was leaving Target and I pulled up in this one nail shop. I was like, okay, well, let me just get a nice little pedicure and a fill in. He really did a good job. This nail did break, but when I went back, they had a sign on the shop saying they were closed due to the coronavirus, which is okay, but it still looked kind of nice. It'll do. So that is pushed into my top lid. I want to highlight my eyebrow. So I take some foam, I put it up under my eyebrow. It's a nice thin coat. And I was just taught this technique too, which is good. So you want to use your fingers again and kind of just pat it. You can use a brush too, but fingers work a lot of the time. And listen, my eyebrows were so, I got my lashes done, but my eyebrows were so out of whack. I had to sit here and pluck. So just because you get your eyebrows microbladed, don't think you still got to get it waxed and maintained. You still do. It just helps with the darkness. But yeah, I had to sit because I was like, I can't go and do this video. My eyebrows looking crazy, so I tried to make them a little bit presentable. Yeah. So now that we're done with that, we can take a brush and we can brush some of this bake away. Just translucent powder, or AKA bake cake. It should be nice and set. So we're going to use some eyeshadow. So I'm going to use my Morphe palette, Artistry palette. So I'm going to use my eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to use, for my crease, I'm going to use this brown color here. So I just take it, dab off the excess, take it and sweep it in my crease. Then for my next color, I'm going to use like this golden color. I want like a nice rose gold look. So it's like a golden color. So I'm going to take it, just press it in my upper lid. My lashes, hunty, these lashes. Because I got that nice rose gold in there. So I want to take my brush again. Just kind of sweep, make sure got a nice little crease going on. Then I want to take my brown eyeliner. Get these bottom lashes. My bottom lashes look little non-extent. So I use some Lancome. First I'm going to put on the mascara base. So got some base on. I'll let that dry on out. Let's get some highlights. It's Maybelline Master Chrome. We'll take some highlights. We're going to take our angle brush, which is brush 169, I think, by MAC. We can take some, just put a little bit here, kind of above where I put my contour. Okay, so now our under eye, our bottom lashes rather, base is dry. We're gonna go in and add mascara to our bottom lashes. See a little bit of my bottom lashes. Now they so tiny. I tell my lash girl, I want some bottom lashes. I want some bottom lashes. She be like, girl, you barely got any. I see what she's talking about. So we did our bottom lashes. So our look is almost finished. I was going to do a red lip, but I don't think a red lip. It's more so rose gold, kind of subtle, nice date night look. So we're going to just go with this is one of my favorite colors, Viva Glam 2 MAC. I'm going to use, this is World by MAC, a lip liner. So we got our lip lined. That's a nice look, but I'm going to take some more highlight. I'm just going to use my finger, kind of put some right here. But I angle my finger because my nail's so long. And put it like right in the crease. Let me see if I can find a brush to do it because it's not working with my nail. Yeah, I could use a brush just to put some highlight right there in my crease of my eye. Just to give it that little pop. See how I just add to the pop. Yes, 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 yes. So this is the complete finished look. Nice and ready for a nice date night. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure that you subscribe to my channel. Enjoy, be blessed, be loved, be happy.